Hello viewers, welcome to Programming Geek. I'm here with a new tutorial that is complete CRUD operation using C# with SQL using Linq. This is my SQL Server name is catalog-sbr, start Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, now for the SQL Server authentication password, then connect. Okay, expand the database folder, expand the database. My database name is, and I'm gonna create a database name. Just name the database programming tutorial db. Click on OK. Okay, and now the database is created. You can see, expand the table folder. There is no table yet. Now I'm going to create a new table. Column name is product ID. This is integer type and primary key. Item name and varchar. Design is varchar 150 character to support 150 character. Color is 50. Okay, now insert date is the date time. Data type is date time, and update date also data type date time. Finally, expiry date, product expiry date, this data type also date time. Now just save. Name the table. My table name is product info underscore tab. Click on OK. Yes, the table is created. Now just replace this table folder, and you can see the table is added. Now start Visual Studio in client PC. Okay, now click on new project with C# Windows. The application will be stored in the G programming tutorial folder, and the name the application is CRUD tutorial using Linq. Click on OK. Yes, the application is created. Now design this form with the label, text box, and combo box datum picker control. The start position is center screen of this form. Back color is blue violet. Now get the toolbox and expand the all Windows form. Add a label control. Just drag and drop in the Windows form application. This label control is used as the title of this form. So font size is 18 and font bold true. For color, font color is button page. Change the text is CRUD tutorial using Linq. Okay, now add a group box control. Yes, in this group box I will add text box, combo box, datum picker, and label control. Okay, now add label control. Change the text is product ID, and font size 10, font bold true, and for color is button page. Okay, now it's looking nice. Add a text box control from the toolbox. Yes, place this text box beside a product ID, and change the font size of this text box. Font size is 10. Okay, now just copy the label control and the text box control for the product item name and design. Okay, second text box and button label control is for item name, and third label is for design. And copy the label control and paste for color and expiry date. Change the text of this label control. This is for color, and this one for expiry date. Okay, color is specific color, so add a combo box control, yes, and change the font size of this combo box font size also 10, and add a date time picker control for expiry date. Date time picker control name is date time picker 1. Change the font size is 10, and font bold true. Format is default is long, make it short, yes. Now this is short format date time. Okay, now add a button control. This button control I will use to insert records in the SQL Server database table using LINQ. Okay, text is insert, font size 10, font bold true, and for color is button page, back color is violet. Okay, now add a data grid view control to display the records, to load the record, inserted the records in the data grid view control. Okay, now go to the button click event. Here I will write code to insert records in SQL Server database. In that case I am gonna adding a LINQ file. Add new item. Okay, now link it to SQL classes. Select link it to SQL classes. Data class 1.dbml. Rename this file dbml file, and this is programming class.dbml. Just click on it. Yes, it's added. Okay, programming class.dbml is added. Now go to the Server Explorer. Data can right click data connection, add connection, server name. My server name is catalog-sbr. And authentication is SQL Server authentication, username SA, and password is SQL Server authentication password. Select the database. My database name is programming tutorial db. Select the database and click on OK. Yes, it's connected with the Visual Studio displaying the Server Explorer. Just drag the product info tab and drop it in the programming class.dbml. Okay, now just click on yes. Yes, it's added. Now I'm gonna write code. First of all, I have to connect with the LINQ file with CSS, my CS file, program form1.cs file. In that case, write programming class data context db equal to new programming class data context. Okay, now I'm gonna write insert code to insert records in the SQL Server database table. First of all, I'm gonna declaring some variable. Variable is product ID, integer product ID equal to int.parse textbox1.text. What I added, textbox1.text, and a string item name. Item name equal to this is a string type variable. Item name equal to textbox2.text, and design from textbox3.x. Okay, color from combo box 1.text, and finally expiry date. Expiry date is date time, so declare the variable date time expiry date equal to datetime.parse datetime picker1.text. No, you should convert it to datetime.parse datetime picker1.text. Okay, now variable declaring is done. Let's check product ID, item name, color, expiry date. Add combo box item. To add combo box item, just write red, green, blue, white, what your color. Just click on OK. Okay, it's added. Now go to the click event. Yes, here now I'm gonna write code to insert records in the SQL Server database table using LINQ. In that case, var st equal to new. My table name is product info underscore tab. You can see beside of this in the Server Explorer, product info underscore tab. Product ID equal to product ID, variable product ID. Item name, you can use text box instead of variable. I just declaring variable and use this variable so that you can understand how to declare variable and how to use this variable also. Okay, design and color equal to color from combo box 1 the text color, and then expiry date equal to expiry date. Okay, now finally db is my database. db dot product info underscore tabs dot insert on submit st is var st is st. Okay, now db dot submit. The submit is used to insert, update or delete records using link queue. Finally, after executing the operation, then it will display the message box dot show successfully inserted. Okay, let's debug. Now first of all, now I'm gonna add a method to load result, to display result instantly in data grid view. In that case, a method to load data in data grid view, void load data, and now I'm gonna write code to load all the records in the data grid view. So var st equal to from db.product info underscore tab select s, just data grid view under data source equal to st. Okay, now call this method in the button click event. Yes, let's debug. Yes, it's debugging. Product ID 101, item name laptop, design Dell Core i5, color, select a color from combo box black, expiry date, put a date. Yes, now just click on expiry date 2022. Yes, successfully inserted. You can see, but insert date update date is not inserted because I did not mention this column in button click event. So okay, now add a insert date equal to date time dot now, I mean current date time dot now. Okay, debug again. Yes, you can see the result is not displaying in the data grid view. To display the result data grid view at runtime first time, just call this method in the form load event. Now debug again. Yes, product ID, item name, design color is displaying at runtime. Now I'm gonna insert one more records. Product ID 102, item name mouse, design Dell, and color red. Expiry date is 30 September. Successfully added, and it's displaying the result instantly in the data grid view with insert date and expiry date. Okay. Okay, now go to the form design and just copy this button and paste. I am just adding one more button to perform update operation. Text is update. Okay, now go to the button click event. Yes, in this click I will write code to update records based on product ID from textbox 1. Okay, now var st equal to from first break from s in db.product info underscore tab, where s.product id equal to integer dot first. Noted that you must use double equal in link queue. Integer dot first equals 1 dot text, select s outside of break dot first. Okay, okay, now st dot item name will update based on product id. What product id you select, it will update based on that product id, because product id is primary key column. st dot item name equal to, I just copy the variable and paste it in update button click event, so that I can use this variable instead of writing the full text box name. Okay, now you can see st.item name equal to item name will get from the text box 2.text. Okay, then st.design from the text box 3 design, and color from combo box 1, so color, and finally expiry date st.expiry date equal to expiry date datum picker 1.text. Finally db.submit, you must add db.submit change. Without db.submit you cannot get the result. Okay, it will not execute. Finally it will display the message book.show successfully updated. Okay, now debug. Put product ID 102, item name mouse. Okay, fine, mouse left off. Right now it's a mouse. Now I'm gonna update to it will be mouse left off, and design is HP, del to HP, and color red to white, and expiry date 10th October 2020. Just click on update. Successfully updated, and the result also is displaying in the data grid instantly, but update date not showing because I've not mentioned update date. Now add update date st.update date equal to date time dot now. Start. Okay, now 102, item name mouse left to mouse, HP to Dell, and white. Okay, now expiry date. Now see that there is no update. Now click OK. Yes, successfully updated, and the update date also displaying in the SQL Server from SQL Server to data grid view. Okay, now I'm gonna insert one more records. 103, item name disk Dell black, successfully inserted, and the record also displaying in the data grid view. Okay, now I'm gonna add one more button to charge the records based on product ID, and result will be displayed in the data grid view. In that case, in this button click event I will write code to charge result. var st equal to from s in db dot product info underscore tab where product ID equal to integer dot first textbooks 1 dot text, select s. Data grid view under data choose equal to st. Okay, let's debug. Yes, now it's displaying all the records. Now 103 charts. Yes, it's displaying only 103 product ID. 102 only 102 product ID, and if you put 101 then it will display only 101 product ID. Okay, now add one more button to delete records from the SQL Server database table using link queue. Text is delete. Double click the button click event. This button click event I will write code to delete records from the SQL Server database table. So var st equal to from s in db dot product info underscore tab higher s dot product ID equal to integer dot first textbooks 1 dot text. Noted that you must use double equal in link queue. Okay, then select s dot first. Okay, so db dot delete on product info tabs dot delete on submit st break st. Okay, now db dot submit change. You must use db dot submit change to execute the operation. message box dot show successfully deleted. Okay, now debug. Now I'm gonna delete 101 records. Just click on delete. Successfully deleted, but the result is not updates instantly in the dedicated view to okay, you can see it's successfully deleted. To display the result instantly, you must you must call the method load data in the delete button click event. Okay, now debug. Okay, now I'm gonna add a confirm message. Deleted is confidential. If you delete a records, you cannot back this records again. So I'm gonna add a confirm message before completing the delete operation. Okay, so if message dot show are you sure to delete records, this is the message name, and message box button dot yes no equal to dialog result dot yes. Noted that you must use double equal in if condition. Okay, if yes, then it will execute the operation. If no, it will do nothing. 102 delete, are you sure to delete? Click on no, it's not deleted. And if you click on yes, it will delete, successfully deleted, and the result also displaying in the dedicated view.